in Concepcion. Locals call it Miracle Island, but before I tell you what's miracle about it, make sure that you sub to the channel and follow my social media account. Let's go! Right now it's 9:33 a.m. The weather is a little bit windy, so right now the crew are on behind driver because later the boatman told us that there's gonna be high wave on the open sea. That's what we're up against on this boat trip going to the island. I'm battered with waves right now. So on the left there's like a mountain right there. That's Pan de Azúcar. That's the iconic landmark of Concepcion. We have already flew a drone up in there. If you haven't watched it, I'm gonna link it in the description or somewhere in here up on the screen. Okay, so right now we're going to Sandbar Island, which we already covered on my last travel guide. Here in Concepcion, you can check that out as well. And then we're gonna go to Django Island, and then we're gonna go straight onto the open ocean. Okay, so let's go. Oh my god. The waves are very big right now and the boat is running slow to navigate on the wave. Okay, so maybe you're wondering why we are featuring Baliguian Island right now for Concepcion. They just recently opened this to the public, so we are going there and we're gonna cover everything. There are no cottages still, so you'll have to bring your tents, but there are comfort rooms for you to go into, and then there's also cooking area. So that's the only info that we have right now there, and you're interested on going there, you can ask the tourism office for the tour, and then they will tell you all the details. Okay, let's go. So right now we're halfway towards the island. We can already see the small glimpse of the island from right there. But on my left, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a silhouette of mountains on my left. That's actually Ticugon Islands already, of Carles. If you haven't been there, we already gone through there already 2 times. On Ticugon Island, it's actually a good island as well. It's already boundary of Carles and then Concepcion, and on that horizon right there, on my right, it's already Negros. The island that we're gonna go to right now, it's actually the boundary waters of Concepcion, which is Iloilo province, and the Negros province. We have arrived to the island right there. This is the only island in Concepcion that has a lighthouse. Because of its location, which is way far off from the main island, there's a lighthouse there to guide the ships, to help them for navigation. Okay, so if one of your bucket list an island with a lighthouse, then this is the island for you. So right now, as you can see, we are greeted with the clear water already, and then that's the beach. So the whole island is flat, no mountains to climb, it's just flat. There are settlements in here already. You can see there are a bunch of boats already, which the locals use to transport from the main island to this island right here. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so we have arrived here and the sun is white and the water is very clear. It's really amazing right now because it's high tide and you can really appreciate the beach. And we've only traveled for like an hour and a half. We left Concepcion main island around 9:25 and then we arrived here around 10:45, so it's very early. They told us that it's gonna be a long ride, like 3 hours, so thank you so much for the Bantay Dagat crew for bringing us safe here in Baliguian Island. Hey guys, what's up? So we're already settled in the island, where the staff have prepared for us a lunch. So right now we're gonna eat, and then after that we're gonna go around the island to check on, you know, the beautiful spots where we're gonna fly the drone, all the angles that we can take. Okay, so let's go and eat. Hey guys, what's up? So we're done with the lunch. The food is really delicious, which the staff of Baliguian Island Beach Resort right here has prepared for us. I'm really full, and also the crew. So right now it's around 12:15 and it's really hot because we're in the middle of the sea. We're gonna rest in a while because we're gonna try to do some underwater shots today because the sun is really high. The reflection of the sun to the water is really good during this time, so we're gonna do that. And after that we're gonna go around the island and then check on which are the beautiful spots here so we can film it. And then we're gonna go over to the lighthouse so we can climb it and then we can see the view from up there. Okay, so sit back and relax and enjoy the B-rolls of this island. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, what's up? So we are here at the lighthouse end of the island. As you can see, the lighthouse is in my back, and I'm facing towards the sunset right now. There. So I'm gonna fly the drone here so that I can see what the sunset looks like on the island. So we're gonna watch until it goes down, and then maybe we can do some time lapse and then some drone shots. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, so I hope you like the drone shot that we have. We're now watching the sunset. It's really beautiful. As you can see the whole sun. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but we're just taking the moment here to enjoy the sunset. Okay, so right now we're gonna go back to the beach because we're gonna prepare for dinner, and then hopefully we're gonna go night swimming, and then hopefully later we can see the lighthouse light up during night, then we can fly the drone. Hopefully it will not rain. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, what up? So it's now nighttime here in the island. Right now the crew is huddling up for dinner, to prepare for dinner. So I think we're gonna end it right now because right now I don't know if it's gonna rain. We'll see if we can fly the drone, but if not, then we're gonna catch the sunrise for early tomorrow. Okay, so see you guys in the morning. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? It's around 6 a.m. and we just finished doing some time lapse on the sunrise. As you can see, it's behind me. So right now we're going back to the beachfront so that we can have breakfast, and then we're gonna wait for the tide to go up so that we can shoot proper drone shots during high tide and high noon of this place. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, what's up? So hope you like the drone shots, the water shots, and everything that we did on this island. This is a partnership project between Concepcion Tourism and Spads Motovlog team, and then also Baliguian Island Beach Resort here in Baliguian Island. Okay, so to summarize everything that we did on the island right here, the time of travel from Concepcion going here in Baliguian Island will be at around an hour or two. So make sure that you take that into consideration if you're gonna add this island on one of your day tour, when you take the day tour. Okay, and also consider in advance the weather, because problem here is that it's an open sea, so the weather changes here very fast. So make sure that you consider that. Right now we're trying to go back home because as you can see, the dark clouds are coming in really fast, and if we're gonna get caught in the middle of the ocean between here and Concepcion, we're gonna have big waves, so that would be trouble for us. Okay, so you don't have to worry about cooking here because they already have that. You'll just have to pay a small amount. They can cook for you, or you can bring your own foods. There are not a lot of cottages still, so by the time that you watch this video, it might be that there are more cottages that they're gonna put up, but you can bring your own tents, or they can lend you their tents. It's 100 pesos per night or per person, or I don't know what that is, so make sure to confirm that on tourism. To come here, make sure that you coordinate with the tourism office first so that you can contact here and then arrange your travel and everything. Okay, so highlights of this beach is white sand beach. You also see that on the video that we have, and at the same time there's a pool here on my left side for small kids if they are scared of going into the deep sea part of the beaches. And at the same time we have the lighthouse, and then the far side of the island is a white sand and blue waters as well. I guess that's all for the details of this travel vlog. I think we're ready right now to leave the island. Make sure that you sub to the channel and follow my social media accounts, and as always, I will see you on my next travel. Okay, bye.